Welcome back to the channel, and today we have an interesting video for you because the guys down at Ramair have just released a brand new intake for the G87 M2 platform that also fits the G80. So this is their Proram intake. This car, which has been very boldly wrapped by the guys down at Shade & Shields, have provided their G87 to us today, so we can get this intake on the car. We can show you what it sounds like. We're going to do a quick install on the system. Before we get started, me and Nath are going to jump back in the studio, show you around the system and what you get inside your box. So we've just laid out the system here. As you can see, you've got your two cone filters, all the pipe work and stuff that you need. Also got heat shields. And then this is actually a semi-closed system, so you do have covers on the top. As you can see, they are a nice carbon fibre trim, so if you've got any like other carbon fibre bits in the engine bay, they're going to look quite nice. And I do believe this one, sort of the filter pops out a little bit there, so it looks quite cool. Yeah, but by being a semi-open system, this is going to sound wicked when it's in the car. You're going to really notice the difference. But anyway, that's enough of me talking. Let's get it on the car.
Firstly, we're going to get stock intake all removed, and then we'll start working on getting the new Ramair intake fitted.
First, so perfect.
So the old intakes have now been removed. Now it's time to get the new Ramair one in.